All right. It's a rainy day here in Tokyo. It's about 4:12, 4:13-ish in the afternoon. And I'm sitting in front of my computer up on the 3rd floor. Today's my day off, and I have a lot to do. But I'm considering watching a movie. Yeah, this is how it goes, isn't it? You got a lot to do, Why don't we try something else that takes away from that task that we need to do. And what do I have to do? I have a few photo albums that I need to get busy post-processing. Get busy, that's a good one. A few of them are years old. The most pressing one is the one of my mother's trip here to Japan back in November of 2012. So, not finished that one yet. I took far too many pictures to make it an easy post-processing gig, but there are some nice ones, and I definitely want to finish them. It would be a shame if, I don't know, somehow they go past their prime and not relevant anymore. Do photos do that? I wonder if video does that. There are many photos that I have yet to send to my mother of my last journey to the U.S. back in Christmas time of 2006. Yeah, 6 years ago. A long time ago. I still haven't given those to her. A few have made it out, but not many. I took many photos during that trip as well. Yeah. Here's the deal with me. Since you're wondering. I just have many ideas that has come to me constantly. And it's taxing. It's mentally taxing. Not that they're good ideas, but just ideas. Oh, let's do this. Oh, let me try that. Oh, what if I did this? And oftentimes I'll have a pen and some paper in front of me, and so then I'll sketch something out. And then put it away because I grow bored with it. And why do I grow bored with it? Because I have another idea that comes up. I'll try something else. I'll come back to these drawings. That's why these things get finished eventually. Of course, not all of them will, but many of them do get finished, and I post them and I show them to people. But I usually don't do them in one sitting. It's rare, and if I do a drawing in one sitting, then it's reason to celebrate. There's also some furniture that I have to finish making. There is, I'll take a photo of this and post it. There's another project, another idea. There's a table that I'm wanting to build, and I have the wood for it, and the design is done and everything. It's a standing table where my computer will be, and I will stand in front of the workstation instead of sitting in front of it. I've heard that is more productive, and in my experience, it has been as well, so something I want to do. There you go. But before that, I have to build a hutch for my wife and myself. I should say I get to build. It's not something I have to do, obviously, but I get to. It's nice that I have that option to do so. And also a cabinet for the tools and whatnot out in the garage. It's pretty unsightly, and we do have a garage that has it doesn't have a front door, so all my tools and bikes and everything are in there unprotected. But they don't need to be protected. I guess if somebody really wants to steal all of that stuff, then haul it out of there. Have at it. Of course, it would suck, but yeah, the concern doesn't outweigh the bliss that I have not worrying about it. There's some movies I have to finish editing. There's many that I need to finish up and post. And now that may be something that has a shelf life of sorts, because as technology becomes better and people's skills improve, I'll start looking at these videos that we've done way back in 2011, 2012 as fairly amateurish. At this point, it's become more sentimental value than anything, I think. Music. One day I'd like to complete an album, complete with Satoko singing on it. That would be very nice. Yeah, I have a lot of songs that I've started, a lot of tunes that are, the themes are laid out. Many. And why do I have many? Because, I start one, become bored with it, because another idea pops up. This podcast is it's another idea. Yay. More ideas, bring them. Bring the ideas. How about bring the completion chart? I would like to sign that. Thunderstorms are rare in Tokyo. Very rare. Very, very rare. We probably get one or two a year, if that. So it's a bit of a treat that my day off is on this day. I can sit here and muse about whatever with this really cool backdrop. Yeah, what other projects are going on? My health, going to the gym and exercising and eating correctly. But I want to do something that I can focus on and make the thing. Make it the thing that I do. The thing. Here's what I do. Boom. Right now I'm teaching English, and that's my day job. I'd like to eventually, at some point, I was about to say I'd like to switch and just do art and music and whatnot, creative process full time. But if I guess if I really wanted that, I would just do it. So perhaps it's better to say I would like to enjoy fully observing the process of me existing in this life. Yeah. La la la. That's it, isn't it? Just being confident and happy, observing what's happening to us. Yeah, I'm not making money with my art right now, so apparently it's not that important to me. I'm making the art. That is important to me, so in due time. Or not. Yeah, other projects. Finishing television series, watching movies, reading books. Started many. And that is important, I believe. It gives me inspiration. Brings me those ideas. Along with the art, the visual art, that is, there's the ballpoint pen drawings that I believe may be the thing that I was talking about that I'd like to focus on. Yeah. Give me some water here. All that water outside makes me want some water on the inside. Next I'll pick up a pack of electricity. Oh, I do need batteries after all. So the visual art, the ballpoint pen, yeah, that's a basis for the way I express myself visually. From there, the digital art. Sometimes a hybrid combination of the two, or sometimes just straight out of Photoshop. There's a particular piece I'm working on now called Noxor. It's something I'm very excited about when I think about it. Because it is about, well, I don't know how many actual hours it is in the making, but I've been working on it for about 4 years now. Put it away for a while, and I pull it back out, and draw on it a bit, using either my mouse or the Wacom tablet. Usually using my mouse, though. I like this piece a lot. It's hopefully I'll get it done within a year or two. I'm really looking forward to seeing it. I'd like to finish it before I die. It's a science fiction-y scene, I think. Oh yeah, and that's it. Another idea. How these pieces like Noxor, the ballpoint pen drawings, how they will manifest themselves apart from just being something on paper or something virtual on the screen. I'd like to put them together in an album, also known as a book, with some of my thoughts spread throughout. I'm thinking with the Noxor piece, something, definitely with a science fiction kind of bent to it. Science fiction from our point of view. Yay. What fun. Boy. Wouldn't want to be out in that. Or would I? Yeah, actually that might be kind of cool. Be out in that. So, yeah, a book or something, an e-book, a collection of thoughts centered around something from our point of view, science fiction. The thing I like about science fiction is that it's all imagination. It's just pure imagination. And ideas that, like, what if or what may be. Hey, there's another idea. I can do a podcast on what I think will become. I'm often talking about that with folks. I get ideas from people, spin them around in my head, and spit out an idea back at them. It's very nice, that synergy that we create when we're talking with people. So yeah, we have the drawing, we have the music, we have the furniture making. Oh, the playing of the music as well, not just the creating of it on the computer, but also with the shakuhachi, and eventually I'd like to buy back a guitar that I sold before coming to Japan. I don't think I can get the actual guitar back, seeing as I don't know who I sold it to or don't remember. But something along the same lines as what I had. It was quite a nice little folk guitar. So we got the music making, creating the album of music, as well as the album of the book, the album also known as a book of the art. The video, the movie making, the movie watching. Some script ideas I want to flesh out. Well, it just goes on, doesn't it? The movie I want to make, the ultimate movie I want to make. That's another thing. I'm going to put that to a podcast as well. Yes. So let's see. Maybe I should make a checklist here, eh? Also, not to forget to take a photo of this desk I want to build, or the materials of the desk anyway. Upload that. So, photo of desk. Standing desk. Yeah, it's quite a interesting piece of furniture there that I want to build. It's a desk that's meant to be stood at in front of my computer. That will be on the desk, as well as the keyboard to make the music. And of course, if I really need to sit, I guess I could just get a stool, make one of those. Yeah, I found the frame for it on the way to work one morning. It was just outside, waiting to be picked up by the garbage trucks, recycle trucks. And I thought, look at that. That's what I want. And then I took it home and measured it and got the wood cut. And now I just have to really just piece it together. It's just be a cinch to make this thing. Why aren't I doing it? Oh yeah, it's raining. Excuse. So I'll upload that photo. Was it a podcast about some ideas about what may come in the future? What may come in the future, that doesn't make sense, does it? First of all, I wouldn't think there is a future, because there's only now. So, it doesn't come in the future either, does it? Careful what I say. And the idea of the idea of a movie I want to make. I've yet to create a title for it. There are tentative titles, 2 or 3, but I don't even remember what they are. But it's a movie about copyright and artistic license and whatnot. Ownership. Who owns what? Do we own anything? That type of thing. Oh, and it's also a love story. Yeah. Possible sex scene. Oh. And that requires a script to be written. Another thing to do. Another thing to do.